Hi, I'm going to show you how you can delete an assigned exam from one or multiple groups of residents or change the assigned status. So here we're under the scheduling page. If you have an exam that's assigned to multiple residents over a particular time period and you want to delete it from everyone, click the little three dots here and you can just delete it. I'm not going to delete this because otherwise my resident won't get their exam. Or you can go in and edit and modify it and change the residents it's been assigned to. You could add more residents in here or take them away or change the dates. If, however, which is more common, you want to delete or change a status for a specific assignee, you need to click Show Assignees here. You then you'll come up with a list of the specific ones. If you want to search under a particular resident, you can just type their name in here just to speed things up. So I can find all the residents called Ryan here that have assigned exams. Find the exam that you're interested in. You can also filter by assigned by, but that's often doesn't help you very much. Go into a particular exam, click on the three things again, and delete it, or again you can go in and edit, modify it and change either the assignee to a different resident, perhaps rotations have changed, or change it to a different time. So that's a pretty quick and easy way to do it. Don't forget that you can always just change the times, the start date or the due date directly from the scheduling page without having to go into anything else. Hope that helps.